How to check recently blocked on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the option Friends given at the bottom left. Once you're over here, you're gonna find the friend list. First of all, I'm gonna block any of the person. Just press and hold on it. Click on the option Manage Friendship and select the option of Block. Now, where can you find your block list? For that, click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Settings. Now, scrolling down, you're going to find the option of Blocked Users. You have to click on that option. Now, here you're going to find the list of the accounts that you have blocked. It's going to appear from the recent to the oldest. So, this is how you can easily check recent blocked on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.